Hey, this is Nick from GatesAir. Today we have a lot to show you. Come on in, let's see what's going on. So this morning I'm here with Bryant Burke, who manages our operations and services worldwide. We're happy to say that our products are made here in the US. Can you tell me a little bit more about our manufacturing operations and our facilities and our overall process here in Quincy?
No problem, Nick. As you know, Quincy's had a presence here since 1922.
Yeah.
We have a few other sites around the US and Europe, but today, welcome to our manufacturing campus, where we have capabilities of CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, metal finishing, assembly, systems integration, and test, and with a lot of skilled people to operate that equipment. This is also home to our customer service, professional services, and training center.
Oh wow, that's a lot under one roof, but it's a pretty big campus.
Yeah, with almost 250,000 square feet on 40 acres, arguably it is the largest producer of television and radio transmission equipment.
So much so we put it on the wall. And this isn't our only U.S. office. We also have another one outside of Cincinnati.
We're supported by a number of people in Ohio with research and development, a lot of talent there, and of course our European operation that we collaborate with a lot as well.
So if I do the quick math, 1922 to 2022 makes it...
We got a big one coming.
Yeah,
we got 100 years.
100 years, that's a big accomplishment. Not a lot of manufacturers in the broadcast space can say that. So, Brian, I have to ask you, how do we manage the challenges like supply and demand that so many manufacturers are facing these days?
Good question, Dick. As you know, we're very vertically integrated. And what does that mean? We're responsible for the full design from metal fabrication parts to circuit boards, electrical, electronics, software development. All of that is done in collaboration with our people in Ohio. And that's important. Why? Because it helps us reduce our time to market, helps reduce our lead time, and gives it more visibility, gives us an opportunity to build in quality at every single step.
So that's really great that we have that all in-house. I know we're not immune to using outside resources like so many large companies are, but what you're saying is a lot of our R&D guys and product line and intellectual property, that's all in-house.
Yeah, and we've got their capability, and we've got the ability to produce those parts 24/7, so it really reduces our time to market.
That's cool. So ultimately, I mean, if you had a new part, new design, you can go down the way here in the factory, have that new part spun up, tested, and see how it goes.
It's happened a lot of times.
Yeah.
The development people go home at night, and when they come in the next day, the part's there.
Fresh out of the CNC machine, we got a new hardware part. That's really cool. Well, Brian, I know I can say for myself, all the guys that are out on the road and at our other locations, I really appreciate the time that you took with me just to kind of show how our company shines, making the best quality product for the broadcast industry. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for helping us represent our customers.
No problem.